Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. We all dream of having clear, radiant and healthy skin, but the truth is skincare isn't just about using fancy products. It's about consistency and the right routine. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple yet highly effective daily skincare routine that works for all skin types. This isn't about following a 10-step routine or spending hours in front of the mirror. Instead, we'll focus on the most essential steps that will keep your skin hydrated, nourished, and glowing. So if you've ever wondered, what should my daily skincare routine look like? Then keep watching because I'll be breaking down every step in detail. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleansing. The foundation of skincare cleansing is the first and most important step in any skincare routine. Our skin goes through so much every day. Dirt, sweat, oil, pollution, and makeup can clog our pores, leading to breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. To keep your skin fresh and healthy, you should cleanse your face twice a day, morning and night. How to cleanse properly? Start by wetting your face with lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Take a gentle cleanser and apply it to your face. Massage in circular motions for 30-60 seconds. This helps remove dirt, excess oil, and dead skin. Rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry with a soft towel, never rub. Remember, over-cleansing can strip your skin of its natural moisture, so stick to cleansing just twice a day. Step 2. Toning, restoring balance and prepping the skin. Many people skip toning, but trust me, it's a game changer. After cleansing, your skin's natural pH balance gets disturbed, and that's where toners come in. A toner helps to restore your skin's pH, tighten pores, and prepare your skin for better absorption of serums and moisturizers. How to apply toner correctly? Take a few drops on a cotton pad or your palms. Gently press it into your skin. Avoid rubbing. Let it absorb for a few seconds before moving to the next step. Using a toner daily keeps your skin refreshed and hydrated while removing any leftover dirt or impurities. Step 3. Serums. Targeted skin treatment. Serums are lightweight but packed with powerful ingredients that can target specific skin concerns like hydration, dullness, fine lines, and acne. If you're dealing with dry skin, dark spots, or aging signs, incorporating a serum into your routine can work wonders. How to apply serum? Take 2 to 3 drops of serum on your fingertips. Gently press and pat it into your skin. Avoid rubbing. Let it fully absorb before moving on to moisturizer. Using a serum consistently will help you get glowing and even toned skin over time. Step 4. Moisturizing, locking in hydration. No matter what your skin type is, oily, dry combination, or sensitive moisturizing is a must. Skipping this step can lead to dry patches, excessive oil production, and premature wrinkles. How to apply moisturizer? Take a pea-sized amount and dot it all over your face. Use gentle upward motions to massage it in. Don't forget your neck and jawline. A good moisturizer will keep your skin plump, soft, and youthful looking. Step 5. Sunscreen, the most important step. If there's one step you should never skip, it's sunscreen. Whether it's sunny, cloudy, or even if you're indoors, UV rays can damage your skin, leading to dark spots, fine lines, and premature aging. How to apply sunscreen properly? Take 2 fingers worth of sunscreen, about a nickel-sized amount. Apply evenly across your face, neck, and any exposed areas. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're outdoors. Using sunscreen daily is the best anti-aging secret. Your future self will thank you. Bonus tips for healthy skin. Now that we've covered the essential skincare steps, here are some extra tips that will help you achieve even better results. Drink plenty of water. Hydration starts from within. Follow a balanced diet. Your skin reflects what you eat. Get enough sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep. Clean your pillowcases and makeup brushes regularly. They can trap bacteria that cause breakouts. Stay consistent. Good skin doesn't happen overnight. Stick to your routine for long-term results. And that's it. A simple yet effective daily skincare routine that will leave your skin healthy, glowing, and well-nourished. Skincare isn't about using too many products, it's about using the right ones consistently. Even the best products won't work if you're not following a proper routine. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of daily skincare. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favourite skincare tip. Also, let me know what skincare topics you'd like me to cover next. I love reading your comments and helping you on your skincare journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!